This is stupid.
No, it's not. Look at this.
What? Oscar, are you okay? Sir, I can see that there are some targets over there.
Thanks, Frank.
And you just make us wait. I'm starting to get annoyed with it.
Crap, that's a problem. I guess I'll just finish this job. Whoa! You'll pay for that.
No, I won't. Why, you should Shut up! What was that? Too easy. Oh, I don't know. What do you mean I don't know? What is that anyway? Cardboard! That's not cardboard! Cardboard is not bulletproof! Then what is it?
Something bulletproof.
Correct.
How the hell did anyone bulletproof us anyway? Sir, it's actually them. There's multiple. I knew that. I'll trip Henry and all of his friends. And guess what? Yes, sir. Good. What are they doing? What? What are who doing? Well, you know those blue team members? Yeah. Well, I feel like they're planning something. Like something big. And they're probably just doing the same shtick as always. But look, does this not look like an odd or suspicious type of behavior? Like, look at this. What was that? Morons. Hey, sir, I got you a glass of... What were you saying, buddy? What the fuck?
Got him!
And I'm your boss, so you can't treat me like that. Then tighten up the nut.
Hey guys, I made lunch. You're supposed to eat that, not use it for the train.
Hey, look, it worked.
Like, right now, put your hands in the air.
Coolio, looks like the train is back. Ah, crap. Oh, no you don't. Sweaty, come on, we gotta hop on the top of the train. Sweaty, what are you doing? We don't have all day. Sweaty, no! Burn that.
Cool.
Told you it was cool.